Hey everyone, today we're going to China, meet Hugh and Amanda. They run a massive plant in China with over 350 employees, and they make seating for boats, yachts, ferries, and things like that. Very high end, really cool stuff. They do everything from casting to sewing. Their factory is hundreds of thousands of square feet. It's beautifully clean because every morning they 3S, no excuses. Everybody cleans, polishes their machines, make sure everything's ready to work. And then, remarkably, they have a morning meeting with over 350 employees. People always say, can you have a morning meeting with a big company? Well, you can if you're committed to the concept. It's really, really cool, and I attended it, and it's fantastic. They even stretch every morning. They watch morning improvement videos. It looks just like a typical morning meeting you'd see in the United States or somewhere else. So when I was there, I worked with their dream team, and basically this is all their managers that are responsible for implementing Kaizen and Lean in all the different departments. I worked with them, showing them how to do jigs, fixtures, how to reduce motion, connecting the work. It was really incredible, and Hugh works with this team every day to develop them so they can further develop the rest of the team. Now you're going to see something that would be a challenge to most other companies, but Hugh and Amanda managed to pull it off, and Amanda is responsible for this incredible transformation. Here's Hugh explaining it.
Okay, we're here in the office. Hugh, tell me about it.
This is the office of the Gemba. It's new as of this year. We took all the production critical departments, brought them inside, we dragged them here kicking and screaming. No one wanted to come. They got here. Every problem we had with production suddenly disappeared. Communication is open. Purchasing, customer service, production planning, QA, engineering, all under one room in the center of the factory. They're accessible, everyone's accessible. It was one of the best things that ever happened to us as far as lean goes. We also, to make space, we went to all standing desks. They have the option to sit. Most people still do sit, but we see people standing, and then just the solving of problems is super quick. Someone over here has a question, they ask purchasing, who talks to production planning. Problem resolved in 3 or 4 minutes. That would have, and I'm no joke, taken a week to solve before.
Here before you did all this?
The structure was actually here. We knocked out this wall, we tiled the floors, we painted the walls, painted the ceilings, got light in here. But before, the structure was here, it was packed full of crap, 10-year-old samples that were totally out of date.
How many departments, one more time?
There's purchasing, production planning, customer service, QA, and engineering. So 5 of the critical departments are in here.
So what are we looking at now, Hugh?
This is our old office building. It's 100 meters long exactly. We took 60% of it and we crammed it into that little office that you just saw. Most of the little squabbles and stuff that took weeks to take care of just vanished. The first 40 seconds we were in here, before anything was connected, before there were lights, before there were tables, it was customer service and production planning. There was an order that was late coming in. Pat asked Mickey, he said, where's this coming in? Oh, it'll be in at 11. Picked up the phone, called the warehouse to let them know that they're gonna be here at 11. 40 seconds, it solved it. Before, someone had to fiddle with getting a phone or getting and crossing catty corner all the way across the factory, 200 meters from here, through buildings, to answer the question. Seconds, first 40 seconds.
So if you're ready for true transformation and you want to remold your company and your organization into something absolutely remarkable, and you're willing to put in the rigor and the hard work to make it happen, you can use Hugh in China and his amazing company as a great example and model to follow. But beware, there will be fireworks. There will be difficult times. It will seem a little crazy. But just like on Chinese New Year when they let me light off these fireworks of over 10,000 firecrackers at one time, the results will be remarkable, and you will be shocked at what will happen. No excuses. Don't tell me about all the reasons you can't do it. Just make it happen. Hugh and Amanda, you're awesome.